Hey everybody, it's Melissa Beatham, and I am at the Dollar Tree today making a total fool of myself because it's not that busy. So we're just going to make a fool of ourselves, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make some fun Hostess packets, okay? So basically for my, the Dollar Tree is the bomb. It's the bomb. It's like Christmas to me. I'm actually here more than I am at my own house, I think. So basically, here we are. I'm in the holiday aisle with lots of goodies here. And these 4th of July napkin packs are great. You always want to choose items for your Hostess packets that are themed, for one, and are thin and light so that they mail easily, okay? So here I have these, and then where are they at? Let's go over here. I bought these little packets of necklaces. They're little 4th of July necklaces. So there's 3 to a pack. Buy things in packs at the Dollar Tree. So I got these packs, and I just put one necklace in each one. And then glow sticks. Oh my gosh, glow sticks are always fun. And glow sticks are always at the Dollar Tree. You can get those. Another fun little thing is these little straws, but they're themed, okay? So they always have themes at the Dollar Tree. Lots and lots of themes. So let's turn this around. Here we go. So here's a Hawaiian theme. So you have little cups that you could put in there. These little cups come in packs. You can see these are in little packs, little ice cream cups. Those are so fun if you want to do ice cream boxes. They have flamingo napkins. Tablecloths are always fun to put in there. There's so many different things. Look at these little beach, you could put a beach ball. So you could grab these summer napkins and maybe even plates down there that are matching, and you could put those in there too. So lots of Hawaiian themed things, tablecloths. There's so many fun things. You could put a hula hoop. They have hula hoops. You could put little Hawaiian necklaces, and those come 2 to a pack too. These come 6 to a pack. How fun is that? Okay, totally saving some money there. Okay, so that's like the holiday theme. Oh, let me grab one more of these. I booked 2 parties. I need 2 more. Okay, so we have those. Another thing that is a lot of fun at the Dollar Tree, and hi, getting some funny looks. Okay, so another thing, let's turn this around, is all the water toys. You see all these water toys? There's so much, like a pail, bucket. We have those little water guns are always fun. Water balloons, a pack of water balloons. They usually have like little packs of water guns that you can throw in there too. So water toys are a great theme for a Hostess packet. And then I want to show you something else that you have to buy at the Dollar Tree for your packets because they're so easy and fun. So this is something that you never want to buy at like Hobby Lobby. So this crepe paper, this stuff, what's it really called? That's what I call it. Decorative Shred. This paper is so fun to throw down in your Hostess boxes. It just makes it a lot of fun. So those are fun to do too. And then, hello, everybody needs popsicles. Buy popsicles while you're here. And what else did I want to show you? Oh, the cooking aisle. Okay, so cooking is a lot of fun. And at the Dollar Tree, you can, so many people looking at me. There's the crazy lady making a video. Hi. Oh, that was the manager. Okay, so I want to show you the cooking stuff because these are a lot of fun. to make like a cooking bundle. Okay, so you can see behind me, this is like all the cooking stuff. So you can take like some cute little dish towels, and you can go over here to this stuff. Even like these kind too. These are so fun. You can't see the dude's face. These are so fun to make a little matching cooking set and say like what's cooking. And then you can throw in whatever you want. You can throw in cookie time, cookie cutters. You can throw in spatulas. They have like, look at this. All of those kitchen tools. You can throw in spatulas and mixing spoons and measuring spoons and all kinds of good fun stuff there. And then they always have these little cups. Oh, where are they? They are. Okay, so see these cups right here? These are like cute little water bottles that weigh absolutely nothing. Come in lots of fun colors that you can throw in those boxes. Those are really, really great to put in there because everybody loves cups, right? And then where's the grilling thing? Okay, so they have themes everywhere. You just have to look for them. But look at this. This is a barbecue theme. So you can get a mitt with the barbecue theme type thing. You can even get this 2-pack of like spatula and a little grill mate thing. And this comes in 2 to a pack. Hello, 2 to a pack, 50 cents for some cute little pot holders with grill stuff on it. And then you could add oh, look at these. Well, they have these kitchen towels that will match it. And then they have these cute little barbecue things right here. So you can use those too to put in all of your boxes. And you do know me, but I don't know from where.
You know Brenda.
Brenda, yes. Oh, I have to go say hi. See, you meet friends at. We're making a video. You say hi.
Hi. Who is it?
We're talking to some people. It's some people on my business page. We're talking about all the good stuff you can find at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna have to go find Brenda.
I thought that was you.
That's me, Melissa.
Melissa.
Yeah,
that's what I thought it was.
Yeah. I'll go find Brenda in a second. Okay. That is hilarious. You will meet friends at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so then. I'm never gonna live this down from Brenda. Okay, so then you have like school supply stuff. So you could make a keep them busy box and put like throw some erasers in there and some pens. Oh yeah, we'll have to go book a party from Brenda and be like, Brenda, you need to book a party. You haven't had a party in a long time. She hasn't. She hasn't had a party in a long time. And then, but you could do like cute little ice cream Post-it notes. So you could do like a business box for those people who love all that stuff. Brenda, hi! We're doing a video.
You're doing a video?
Hi. Say hi, yeah. They said you need to book a party. You haven't had a party in a long time. I'm gonna come back. Look at that face. All right, I'll come back around in just a second. I'm showing them some stuff over here. I will. You too. Oh, thank you. You look beautiful too. I'll talk to you in just a second. So, business peeps love all of the little business supply stuff. Now, you can also do like coloring boxes and coloring kits. Oh, I want to show you something over here. Okay, this is fun too. I always grab these when I can. So in the toy aisle, you can see these. Let me show you. Okay, so they have these these cups, and these are always at the Dollar Trees. So you can get big old Minions cups, and they have Paw Patrol and emojis. They have Mickey Mouse and superheroes, but you can do some fun stuff with some of those too. They have, what do they have? They have like coloring books that you can put with those cups and all kinds of fun stuff. But I need to go talk to Brenda because she probably thinks I'm nuts and I've lost my mind. She was a fellow instructor, nursing instructor. I used to be a nursing instructor, and she was a fellow nursing instructor with me at the local college. So I'm going to go say hi to her and let her know that I haven't lost my mind making videos in Dollar Tree. I will talk to you guys later, but I wanted to show you some really fun stuff that you can do at the Dollar Tree. You can run your business for very little, so don't worry about it. Go find your Dollar Tree, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.